Death toll from Sunday's explosion on Jacques Road in Mountain View increases to 2. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Red Hills Road residents get reprieve from eviction.
Mad rush for Portmore buses downtown.
Chief suspect in Marchpen Road killings now charged with 5 counts of murder.
In the business day, government expecting more revenues than previously projected.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Do you agree with the attempts by the government to buy the property at 885 Red Hills Road to prevent the eviction of the residents?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet at television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after the break.